Hey guys, it's Rodney, and today, while editing some other videos, we found some neat footage of a little project that we forgot we did, where we took a floor mirror that was designed to lean up against the wall, reused the glass into something that can hang on the wall more permanently. Let's check it out. So you'll see the video footage that we took during this project was a little bit of a spur-of-the-moment type of project. It's pretty late, it's dark, hard to really get good quality, but what we thought we'd take the opportunity for is to show you guys how we reused an old mirror that wasn't really our style into something new using just a couple of really simple tools. In this particular project, we used a jigsaw, a router, a drill, and a handsaw. Now I feel like if we're all of a certain age, millennials, we'll know this mirror. It's the mirror from Ikea that's got the really chunky frame, which, you know, had its moment in time, but no longer. We're often using things like thinner framed mirrors and things of that nature. So instead of just trashing the whole mirror, we did take the jigsaw to help us take apart the frame and be able to reuse it into something more modern. One really cool attachment for the router is this mortise bit. It can really take a simple project and make it feel more custom or built in. In this particular case, this is a sliding base that's going to attach to the base of your router. So you'll take the current plate off, or the plate that comes with your router, to be able to screw this guy in. You'll center that up with the bit. There are some tools that come with these kits to make sure that it's nice and center. But for the purpose of this video, I wanted to show it not on the router so that you guys could see how it works. It does come with two handles, so you've got a good stable grip. You do want to take your wood and make sure that it is clamped to a work surface so it doesn't slide around on you. Now, what's really neat is it's got these little feet on the bottom that you screw in. They do spin or rotate, which allows you to glide this along the piece of wood. In our case, we took the 3/4 inch on its side, but basically you're able to set this guy down and turn these until those little feet or pegs hold tight up against the wood. This also makes sure that your bit is perfectly centered no matter the thickness of the wood. So you're able to get a nice center line no matter the thickness or size of wood you're using. So even if we turn this piece on its face, we're still going to be centered on that piece of wood. So in this video, we just took a 3/4 inch by 3 inch piece of molding. We took our mortise jig here, locked it into place, and created ourselves a groove straight down the center of the board. I then took the handsaw and cut the molding or piece of wood to size, and that's the track that's going to hold the mirror in place once we've got it installed on the wall. We used our 1/2 inch straight cut bit for the router. The mirror itself was about 3/8 of an inch thick, so the 1/2 inch gave us just a little bit of wiggle room in the guide or in the track that we created. This mirror was also installed at the back side of our guest room closet, which mirrors in design can help a space feel a little bit larger, add some interest, but most important, in our guest room, it does offer a place for our guests to kind of check themselves out and get ready for the day.
You know, all be painted the same colors.
Nice. What did you do here?
You know, I just did a simple project. I just routed out a little moiseled channel. Mortise channel. And then we put a mirror in it.
Nice.
That's gotta get clean. If anybody's got some Windex, send us some Windex. I was originally thinking these would be wood and we would stain them, but because it's such a small space, we're just gonna paint them the same color as
I hate that you're able to see how I film.
All in all, a pretty simple, easy, quick project to do, something you could easily do on a weekend. Again, video quality from the project itself, not super great, but for how simple the project was as an easy weekend DIY, we wanted to be able to show it off to you guys so that you could make something like this at home.
Really, this is becoming the new guest room again. Again? Have we lived in every room in this house so far?